Hello everyone, welcome to Shadikut. Today we are making Murmura Chivda. For that, firstly I'm going to heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, heat the oil. Now let's add in 1 cup of peanuts and I'm going to saute it for few minutes until it turns into golden brown color. It has got a nice golden brown color, so now I'm going to add in about 8 to 10 curry leaves and 2 split cut green chilies, and I'm going to saute it again until my curry leaves are crisp. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, now let's add in 5 cups of puffed rice, and I'm going to mix it again. Now let's add in our spices. Firstly, I'm going to start by adding salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix everything well. And there you go, your Murmura Chivda is all ready. It is very light, it has a nice spicy taste, it has a nice crunch to it. Peanuts just add a nice flavor. You can store it in a container